Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I gives reviews about skincare and haircare products. So today I will review more about a skincare product called Face Facts Vitamin C Face Cream. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon, so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Face Fact Vitamin C Face Cream contains vitamin C and glycerin. It helps to brighten and hydrate the skin. Moisturize and refresh your skin with our Vitamin C Face Cream. Packed with vitamin C, the daily moisturizer helps deeply hydrate your skin and enhance your natural radiance, the perfect skin before applying makeup for an extra glow. How to use Face Fact Vitamin C Face Cream. Use after exfoliating, cleansing and toning the skin. Apply a small amount of the moisturizer and gently massage into the skin. Do not rinse off. Caution: use only as directed. If product gets into eyes, rinse with water. Side effects of using Face Facts Vitamin C Face Cream. It has no side effects. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks.